In this video, I will let you know how to insert different operators of arithmetic, algebra, and calculus using Math Editor and MS Word text editor. Instead of going to symbol box every time, which is obviously very irritating and time consuming, there is an elegant way by inserting search operators using keyboard. And I'm going to share that right now with you. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon not to miss any further updates in the channel. Here I am on the MS Office file and I have activated the equation editor by pressing the shortcut key which I have already assigned. So I would like to begin this from the simple one which most probably everyone knows about it, and that's the arithmetic operator. So the first one is to insert plus sign, and that you can head by pressing shift equal key. Similarly, to assign minus sign, you just press the hyphen or dash key. And in order to insert the multiplication operator, you have to follow this procedure by first putting the backslash times a space, so you will write the multiplication operator. The division sign is inserted by forward slash A over B, backward slash, and PM. Hitting the space key will insert the plus minus sign. If you want to insert the fraction and inline text, for that I need to put backslash after A, then forward slash, and then B, so that backslash stop the equation editor to convert this into the proper form, and it will be left in the A by B form. Similarly, different algebraic terms are combined by using parentheses. For example, A plus 2 times B plus C, then I have to put another followed by a space. Now this whole term is combined and editor will treat this as a single term, and if I want to divide this with D plus E, if I don't put another parenthesis at the end, editor will not combine D and E into the denominator, rather will divide the numerator only with D and will add E. However, if I put a parenthesis and hit the space bar, it will combine it into a single denominator. How do we insert space differentiation? That f is a function, and if I want to differentiate this with respect to spatial coordinate, I just press the apostrophe key to insert a single differentiation sign, and if I press a double, that will insert double differentiation sign, and similarly the triple prime will be inserted by pressing that key thrice. On the other hand, the time derivative dot is inserted to f by pressing backslash followed by dot and then hitting the spacebar key. So hitting the spacebar key again will put the dot. And similarly, if I want to insert double dot, then I have to insert backslash key dd dot, and pressing the spacebar key will insert double dot. For triple dot or thrice differentiation, you have to follow this procedure dd dot, and pressing again the spacebar key will put all the dots over the function f. Similarly, the sign for partial differential is obtained by pressing backslash followed by parti partial. If I want to partial f divided by x, I can write it like this, or shortly by pressing partial underscore x of f. The gradient is inserted by pressing backslash and writing nebula. The delta is inserted DLTA by backslash writing delta. An indefinite integral is inserted by \int. And similarly, if you want to insert the limits, a definite integral with limits, then you go this way, int underscore bracket x I raised to power bracket x f x underscore f of x with space d of x. So this way you write the definite integral. And if you want to write closed integral, that you write by \oint, so that put the sign of that insert. So this way you can insert the sign of closed integral.